In a crowded campus library, a young person named Nova discovers that a 5-minute breath ritual can steady a racing heart and calm swirling thoughts. The practice reveals real benefits like clearer focus, reduced worry, and a kinder inner voice that turns overwhelming moments into manageable steps. To fit meditation into a busy schedule, Nova starts with a sunrise minute, a commute minute, and a study break minute, pairing breath with posture and gentle grounding. Challenges arise from noisy dorm rooms to deadline pressure, yet Nova learns to shield practice with soft cues and forgiving self-talk. Encouraged by small wins, Nova invites friends to try together and sees anxiety loosen its grip, one breath at a time.